What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Rochelle, and I'm back with another video, y'all. Thank you for tuning in, liking, sharing, and subscribing. You guys are the bomb.com. Now, in today's video, I am sharing with you guys a cash stuffing for my week 2 of July 2022. This is income that I received. Normally, I try to do all this income one time at the end of the month, but I'm just trying something different. And so we're just going to go with it. I just do this sometimes, y'all. I don't know. This is all I got for you. So here we go. If you want to see me budget some income and of course get a cash stuffing done for the week, definitely stay tuned. Okay, so I'm going to be working inside of my undated digital planner. I just had to grab me some moisture real quick because your girl is feeling dry. I've been washing my hands like crazy because I've been doing some orders. So I'm going to grab me some of Eva's Hawaiian shea butter. Y'all. Oh my goodness. Eva is restocked, y'all. Thank you guys for always supporting her business. If you don't know, my daughter Eva, my husband and I, we have a 10-year-old daughter. She has her own shea butter business. She is the creator, the owner. She runs it all. She budgets it. She is a debt-free business owner, and I am so proud of her. So if you want more details, link will be below for her website, evashawaiiansheabutter.com, but I am using her lemongrass scent today. So got my own personal supply up in here. But look at that. It never gets old, y'all. I'm always gonna gas my daughter, okay? She's doing it big. Okay, so we are going to grab the numbers for our budget. So I will be inside of this digital planner, like I said. And first thing I'm gonna do is switch over to our paycheck view. So for today, we are going to be working with a total income of $580.75. So this is going to be for 7, 6 to 7, 10. So this is income I was able to make from my website. So this is not income that I budgeted with the monthly overview that I usually do for the month. This is income that I don't count until it happens because you just never know. So thank you to everyone who has been placing orders from my website. I really appreciate you guys. And so I'm really just trying to be responsible with every dollar that comes through here. Okay, so how am I going to spend it? First off, I'm going to cover $20 for a business bill. So I didn't plan on budgeting anything for it, but I'm going to actually pay $20. Then I'm also going to pay my independent contractor that I work with. Gotta find a better way to label that and make it, cute. We are going to pay her $58. Then I'm going to set aside some money for taxes. I did pull it out in cash this time. Taxes is going to get $95. Then I'm also going to give myself some cash to stuff. We're going to cash stuff $200 today. And then we're going to put the rest. I didn't know what to do with this money. So, okay, I'm going to put it in savings for now because I don't know what to do with it. Like I said, this is money that I was not anticipating. So we're going to just try and be responsible with it. So we're going to save it and decide once we give ourselves a couple days. So $207.75 is what I set to the side in a separate account. That way I can talk to Micah about it and see what our game plan is for extra cash that's coming in this month. So that's pretty much how I'm going to spend it. Nice and simple. Some money to savings/debt, some money to our bills, and some money to cash. So now it is time to cash stuff. Okay, so first let's make sure that we have a total of $200 for cash stuffing and that we have $95 for taxes. So it should be $295. So 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 200, 220, 240, 260, 265, 270, 275, 280, 285, 290, 295. So we are just working with 50s, 20s, and 5s today. Your girl did the good ATM run today. Like, I love this ATM because it gives me my stuff on the fly. Okay, so first off, let's do a wallet unstuffing. And let's see if I have any cash left over in any of my envelopes. I normally wouldn't do this until Friday this week, but we're gonna go with it. So I've got $10 left. Ooh, $10 left in row. Nothing in groceries. Tips had one more dollar. You see, I got my nails done, y'all. I took all that stuff off, acrylics and all that, and I'm just going with something super basic. Eva wants to do my nails, so I am going to go with that. We got some cute polishes that we actually had polishes already, but I just added 1 or 2 more colors just so she can do a couple designs on our nails. And I'm excited. Her nails have been looking cute. But anyway, nothing is left in eating out. I never stuffed Hawaii. And miscellaneous has $5. And I think that's it. Yep. Yeah. Oh, I do have some coinage. Let me pull that out. It's never cute when oh, this is hilarious. I pulled out the coins already. I must have just missed one. But now I have to figure out what I did with the coins. What did I do with it? Okay, found my coins. Got a whole dollar right there. Yes, honey. So I'll count the pennies at the end of this year. I really just want to fill this up first. And then I was slowing down with the coinage. I used to empty this monthly and contribute to my Keep the Change challenge, but I don't know. We're getting kind of heavy again. I might have enough for a whole $10 roll because I only put silvers in here. But that's good. And then let's shade in some progress. I can never tell if this is the right green. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's the right green. So January, February, March, April, May, June, July. Ooh. So we'll go ahead and give ourselves a little bit of progress for July. I'm back, y'all, trying to be consistent with my savings challenges. Okay, and then what we're going to do with the rest of this money, it's going to go to the debits day off. So debits day. Debits day off now has 100, 120, 140, 160, 170, 175, 180, 81, 82, 83. $183 total. Yay! So we contributed $16. Whoa, what is that? Did my pen just like come apart on me? What happened? Never a dull moment over here, y'all. Never a dull moment. Okay, so I think I'm gonna use this one. So I'm just gonna put, we'll put it right here. $16. And then we'll shade in a little bit. Just a little something, something. So is this the right green? So far it looks like this. That's a good amount, $16. Okay, so I was able to contribute to 2 savings challenges. That's awesome. Okay, so now let's go ahead and work with our next thing, which is our cash stuffing for our wallet. So I'm going to give myself $10. Then I'm going to skip groceries. I'm going to skip tips and eating out. I'm not contributing to this Hawaii. And then miscellaneous is going to get $20. And then hubby and Eva are going to get $10. And we'll contribute to the rest of these envelopes when Mike gets paid later this week. but at least that's good. And then I want to stuff my taxes for my business. Ooh, honey, I can't wait to contribute to these. Oh, I got the money out already. Okay. All right then. Okay. So we are going to contribute $95. So 50, 70, 95. Okay. So altogether, taxes will have 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,150, 1,200, 1,250, 1,300, 1,350, 1,400, 1,450, 1,500, 1,570, 1,590, 1,610, 1,630, 1,650, 1,670, 1,680, 1,685, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 1,691, 1,692. Ooh, let me write that down, y'all. 1,692, and we contributed $95. So, oh, let me put the date. 7/11. Ooh, it's 7/11. Bay Day. So I'm gonna have to clear this off next time, but that's pretty good for taxes. I have to be honest, I don't contribute every single time I have income, and I'm trying to be better with that. So we'll get there. Now we can stuff some sinking funds. Okay, so I'm going to start in the back, this time. And I'm going to add $50 to Tesla. So this is for any maintenance work that has to be done on our car. So Tesla now has 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 170. Okay, then self-care, I am going to, it's empty, y'all. We went. So self-care, we're going to start over again with 20. It was so nice getting some Thai massages. Just went yesterday. Okay, and then I need to update my tracker for here. So Tesla, we added another 50. Why did I forget that quick? 50, 100, 120, 140, 160, 170. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, that's right. 170. Okay. Then I'm going to give myself $5. So I now have 15. Then what else? Ooh. Oh, beauty. Beauty is going to get $20. So 50, 70, 90, 110, 120, 130, 135, 140, 145, 150, 151. So plus 20 is 151. Then car insurance is next. It's going to get $20. And car insurance now has 100, 150, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 330, 350, 370, 390, 400, 410. So 410. My Sharpie trying to go out on me. Okay. Oh, escrow. I have to do an update for y'all on that one. Eva can get $5. So now she has 10, 15, 20, $25. Plus, whoops. Well, I'll just say I added 10 because that's 25 now, right? 10, 15, 20, 25. Yeah. So I must not have contributed. Updated my tracker last time. Okay. And then I know I want to contribute to our Hawaii sinking fund, so it's going to get 20 also. It now has 100, 200, 220, 240, 260, 270, 275, 276. Okay, and we have one last 20. I'm going to put that, make sure I didn't forget any categories. Yes, we did those. Okay, so I'm going to put it in house and hygiene, which now will have 20, 40, 45, $50. So plus 20 is 50. All right, guys. We are all set. Another cash stuffing is in the books. Thanks for tuning into another video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until then, peace, love, and budgets.